India's strategic outreach to Afghanistan, a renewed chapter of humanitarian aid and development. In a landmark development, India has taken a significant step toward re-establishing diplomatic ties with Afghanistan through its first publicly acknowledged engagement with the Taliban regime. The meeting between Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri and Afghanistan's acting Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi, held in Dubai, marks a pivotal moment in New Delhi's evolving policy towards the war-torn nation since the Taliban's ascension to power in 2021. The meeting, which occurred on Wednesday in Dubai, signifies the first formal interaction between a high ranking Indian diplomat and a senior Taliban leader. Misri's discussion with Muttaqi aligned with India's continued engagement efforts despite New Delhi's lack of official recognition of the Taliban regime. This follows a series of lower level talks led by Indian officials such as JP Singh, Joint Secretary of Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran. India's renewed interest in engaging the Taliban stems from its commitment to addressing Afghanistan's humanitarian crisis and maintaining regional stability. The meeting comes in the wake of escalating tensions along the Durand Line, where recent airstrikes by Pakistan reportedly killed dozens of Afghanistan civilians. With Islamabad expelling hundreds of thousands of Afghan refugees, New Delhi seeks to reinforce its position as a compassionate ally to the Afghan people. This engagement also aligned with India's strategic aim to counterbalance Pakistan's influence in the region while prompting the use of Iran's Chabahar port for trade, bypassing Pakistan's geographic leverage. While India refrains from officially recognizing the Taliban regime, its pragmatic diplomacy demonstrates a balanced approach by maintaining an active dialogue and offering humanitarian aid. New Delhi is craving a niche as a stabilizing force in the region. The Chabahar port in particular emerges as a linchpin in India's strategy to foster trade and humanitarian efforts, circumventing Pakistan's disruptive policy. This engagement also has a broader ramification for regional geopolitics as Pakistan grapples with internal unrest and strained relation with Kabul. India's proactive stance could shift the power dynamics in South Asia. By addressing Afghanistan's development and humanitarian challenges, India has positioned itself as a reliable partner, countering China's Belt and Road Initiative and enhancing its own strategic footprint in Central Asia. India's dialogue with the Taliban signifies a pragmatic pivot in its foreign policy, blending humanitarian assistance with strategic foresight. While challenges persist, this engagement underscores New Delhi's enduring commitment to fostering peace, development, and stability in Afghanistan. As the region navigates a volatile geopolitical landscape, India's outreach may well shape the future trajectory of South Asian diplomacy. This diplomatic overture could be a cornerstone for more stable and mutually beneficial relationship between India and Afghanistan, rooted in shared history and aspirations for a better future.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.